Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, really quick tutorial, how to do multicam editing in Adobe Premiere. Now, we have recently joined with a client this Tuesday and we had 3 cameras running at once. And normally when we have multiple cameras, we've usually outsourced that project, but this time we decided to try it in-house. And I can't believe it, I found some tutorial online that blew my mind on how easy it is to do multicam editing. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it for yourself. So let's hop onto the computer right here. Alright, so as you can see on my screen here, I've already imported all the footage that I needed. And so what I'm going to do first is once you have the footage here layered, it doesn't have to be exact because we're going to allow Adobe Premiere to do that for us. All you got to do is select all. I like to use Control A. Right click and then just hit the synchronize button here. This menu pops up, very simple. You don't want to use clip start or end. Instead, just allow it to mix or allow it to sync based on audio. And the track, it doesn't matter either. I just use the first track. And then click OK and allow Adobe Premiere to do its magic. Depending on how large and how many of these files you have, it may take longer, but we'll see how it is right now. And now for me personally, I like to trim everything so they match to the typically the shortest clip. I'll keep it right here, boom. And then for the endings, I like to clip off, so I'll zoom in. Any excess, it looks like there's one hair excess of a clip, and boom. All right, and there you have it. We have our synced video and audio. Typically, I'm going to get rid of most of this audio, but since I'm going to be syncing mic audio later, I'm going to keep one audio track for myself. You don't have to worry about that step. To go to the multicam editing though, what you want to do, select all the video files. You're going to right click and go up to nest. There's a little option that says nest, and you're going to name this sequence whatever you like. I like to call it multicam. And then in this case, this is actually for a client, so I'm going to call it module 2 because that's what it's for. I'm going to call it part 1 because I know there's more to come. And now you're going to see it changes to green. And when we hover over it, it looks like it's still just one video file. And that's because we have to activate multi-camera in the settings. So to do that, select the clip, right click, and then we're going to go over here and there's a little menu item that says multi-camera, and you're going to enable that. Once again, nothing really changes. It kind of changed what we're viewing though. And finally, to actually get the full experience, you're going to hit this wrench icon and then go up, and this should say multi-camera view. Select that, and now we are finally in the menu where we have all the cameras in view, and we can now select as the video plays which angle we want to present. And this makes multi-camera editing really easy. Let me show you exactly how that looks. So let's say we're starting this clip and we want to have the establishing shot of both of them. We'll hit play. We'll allow it to breathe, and as you can see, all the clips are playing in sync now. And depending on the moment, as she speaks, for example, I want to go to her, I can press the number 2 to go to the second clip. And now you'll see that the clip adds a cut onto the timeline that shows that we've switched from this first camera to the second camera. And you can just do this as you play along. And the way these cameras are coded is all on the number pad on top of your keyboard. And since I only have 3 cameras, I only have to worry about 1, 2, and 3. And on the menu here, it's just reading left to right. So 1 is the top left corner, 2 is the top right corner, 3 is the bottom left corner. And if I had a 4th camera, it would be the bottom right corner here. And that's how you would do multi-camera editing. Let's just imagine I go to another part of the video where they're speaking, and I want to cut from her to say her. I press 3. It's going to add that cut automatically to the timeline. And that's pretty much it. I hope this was valuable or interesting to you. At least it blew my mind because I've been doing this for our client work and has made editing like the A cut of the video extremely quick and easy. So please leave a like if this was useful. I appreciate it as always. Comment your thoughts down below. Are you a Adobe person? If you can do this in DaVinci, please let us know because we kind of use DaVinci as well. Be useful to have that information. And then last but not least, subscribe. Videographer here in LA, working with my friend Mateo, and just always trying to pump out content. So I'll see you in the future. Peace.